Hi friends! I hope everyone's doing super dandy today because for today's video, we're gonna be talking about all the things, or specifically the 22 things I want to create in 2022. There's probably a bigger list of probably like 100 things I realistically would like to make in 2022, but I compiled a list of patterns that I really want to try to get done this year. Attempt, maybe happen. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. They're all just a big variety of different patterns from sewing, knitting, crochet, those 3 topics. But all that being said, let's just jump in to the first pattern I want to make this year. So first pattern on my handy dandy list over here is the Dima bandana, and it's by Dima Knitwear, and I'm really excited for this one just because I really do like bandanas. They are so cute. I just love them. You can wear them all year round. It's not like you can only wear in the summer or only wear in the winter like most things. This can be worn all year. And I'm also trying to find patterns that aren't, too overwhelming. Like, I find a lot of patterns out there that are like a full dress or pants or full-on sweater, and I just know they're gonna take me 45 years to make. Honestly, that kind of sucks sometimes. It sucks how long it takes to make some knit pieces, so I'm very happy I was able to find a pattern that I really, really love because I can probably make a few bandanas in different colors. So next one, it is a pattern I got in this course I'm working on right now because Domestika, they reached out to me and they offered to give me a course, and of course, that's funny. I chose the course by Laura Delgard. Her knits are just incredible, and she's teaching this course about Intarsia. I really wanted to get more into color work, so this is what I'm learning right now, and we're working on this sweater in the course. They give you the pattern and all of the details and how to create it. So hopefully in the next couple days, I'm gonna be starting it because she is beautiful. And I just want her on my body and wear it every single day. And I hope mine turns out just as beautiful as hers. Also, not sponsored. They just gifted it to me and then also gave me a coupon code to share with you guys if you guys want to get 10% off a course. Next pattern. This one is a sewing one because I also want to sew this year. But this one is the Nolan pattern, and it's by Seamworks, and it is a pair of pants because I really want to make a nice pair of pants this year. Like, I want to find a pattern that just like fits my body and just is like, very nice. So I'm thinking this might be the one. I haven't made it yet. I haven't bought the supplies for it yet, but I do have the pattern. So this year, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It also has a nice course, I think, that comes with the pattern class. So you can do it, with the teacher, I guess. So now for another pair of pants. I'm already working on work. So next pattern. I have already started it. I've been working on it for the last 3 weeks, maybe. I think I started at the beginning of January. And not done yet. They're going to take a while, but they are another pair of pants, except they are knit pants. They are by Boring Knit, and they're called Boring Biker Pants knitting pattern. They're the Boring Biker Pants, and you can see I am done almost one leg. I think I just have a few more inches at the bottom here, and then I can do a nice seam of some sort, and then I can work on the other leg. But holy cajole, this pair of pants, I feel like I've worked on it for 4 billion hours already, and we're almost halfway. So yeah, pattern I'm very, very excited to finish this year, and hopefully I will finish this month and it's not December and I'm still working on them because I really want to wear them. I really want to wear them. I probably should have laid out my list from winter to spring to summer. Maybe that would have been helpful, but nope, we're moving to summer now for this next one. So next one is a pair of knitted shorts. I'm working on a pair of pants like you guys saw, but I really want to work on a knitted pair of shorts this summer and spring because why not? Why not? I found this really cute pattern on Etsy and they just look so breezy and comfy, these shorts. I just feel like I'd wear them every single day in the summer. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. If you haven't heard of Ana Luisa, well, I wear them pretty much every single day, at least 2 pieces. My earrings are always Ana Luisa, and they create high quality jewelry with recycled pieces. If you buy anything with gold, it is made from recycled gold. If you buy anything with silver, made from recycled silver. Buy anything with a diamond, they're actually lab grown, and they are 100% carbon neutral. Also, when you receive your pieces, they come in 100% recycled cardboard boxes, which you can reuse as a gift box. And their shipping is super speedy. So for the necklaces I'm wearing today, I'm wearing the Ina, which is this nice chain necklace. I've also paired it with the Saya one, which is a nice flower one at the bottom. And then I also paired it with this nice Elsa checker blue necklace. And then for my earrings, I'm wearing the Lee green earrings. And then for my ring, I'm wearing the Paisley ring, which is a nice, simple, dainty little ring. If you guys want to shop any of their pieces, they are having a sale right now where you guys can get buy one, get one 40% off. Just use my link down below in the description to shop their sale. For this next one, it is a pair of pants because I'm still on the hunt for like the perfect pair of pants to sew. So this is another sewing one, and it's these amazing wide leg trousers here. They're called the Wide Leg Pants Christine, and they are by, this is Cashy. And she also has a YouTube channel, so you can see all her amazing videos. I love her videos of all her sewing tutorials. I learned so much, so you guys can check it out. I think every single pattern she has does come with a sewing tutorial, so you guys can follow it when you're making your garment, whatever you're making. But I just love these pair of pants, like a nice wide leg pant. I want to make this, 100% I want to make this year. Well, just all the patterns I'm talking about I want to make, but specifically, I want to make these because they just look really nice. So now for a crochet pattern. So this next pattern I'm so excited about, and I've been following the designer who created this pattern for a while now. And honestly, when I first saw her make this top, I was just like so excited for when she was actually gonna release the pattern, and she recently released the pattern, and it's this vest right here. But I just love the color work she's done in here. I'm hoping it's not too difficult. I haven't looked at the pattern, I haven't bought it yet, but it's one I hopefully want to start maybe the springtime, for spring, summer, kind of fall. But oh gosh, it just looks incredible. Like, you gotta admit, is pretty good. Next one is another free pattern, and this one I have mentioned on my channel before. I mentioned it in my free pattern video, but it's still one on my list that I really want to make this year, and it is the Monroe turtleneck here. I just need some more basics, and it shouldn't be too difficult, or at least people have told me it's not too difficult, and they love it. Next patterns, we're gonna go down the rabbit hole of some patterns from this one website, and they're all free. So I have 3 to talk about now. So the first one is this crochet bucket hat right here. It's by Drops. If you guys have heard of Drops yarn, then you know they have amazing yarn, but they also have amazing free patterns. Like, I feel like, or I think they do. I think they have thousands of free patterns on there, which I had no idea about. And then I started actually looking at all their patterns and found really amazing ones, but I just chose 3 for my list here. Next pattern, again by Drops, and again, very free. But it is the Isla slip over here. Look at her. I know, pretty amazing. It's actually like a really nice design, and I can't believe these are all free, but I want to make a vest. I have not made a vest, knitting a vest, or I don't think I've crocheted a vest or sewn a vest. I don't think I've ever made a vest before, but it's one thing I really want to make. I really want to make a vest this year. Last one from Drops, that is 00 free again, and it is another sweater vest. I don't know. I guess I want to make 2 this year. I'll see if I can make both of them, but this is the other one. It is Cork Oak. It's pretty similar. This one's more like an oversized one, which I do like that, just wearing like oversized clothes. And this one, you know, you could wear over a sweater or shirt. You know, you just style it how you want, but this is a pattern I want to make, and I like her. It's just a really nice sweater vest. So Neo, we're gonna get back onto the pant train, except we're gonna get off in the jean section for this one, because I found a jean pattern for you guys. But the one thing that I really like about this pattern is that it comes with 4 different styles in this one pattern. It comes with a straight leg, a boot cut, a wide leg, and a pair of shorts. I know. But overall, the reason why I chose this pair of jeans to make is because they look like pairs of jeans you'd buy from the mall. Like, they don't look handmade at all. And that's what I'm really excited about. I really want to make a nice quality pair of jeans this year. And I know it might be a little difficult, but I'm always up for a good challenge. Next one. This next pattern is by my friend Kiana. She is a YouTube creator as well. She does a lot of fashion and fashion design videos. If you haven't checked her out, check her out. But she makes a lot of patterns and I've yet to try one. So I put her mock neck and turtleneck pattern on my list here because I really just want to make more basics this year and just keep a nice pattern like this turtleneck and just create a whole bunch more in the future of different colors, just because you can never go wrong with a basic turtleneck. Back to knitting. I found another pair of shorts I want to make. I know. Okay. It is another pair of knit shorts I want to make, but it's by Laura Delgard. I did mention I was going to talk about her more because I love her stuff and I want to make all her patterns. They just look like a nice quality pair of shorts. And like I mentioned with the other pair of knit shorts I found, I just want comfy knit shorts to wear this summer just because I can lounge around in them. So I want to make this one right here. Okay, next pattern. Drum roll. Sorry, I can't drum roll. But that's the only summer piece I want to make. I do want to make a few winter pieces of her, which I don't think I'm going to be able to get done this winter. It'll probably be, end of 2022. But she has these 3 patterns that all match. She has this one balaclava right here. And if you're on Pinterest, you've probably seen it there, because I've seen this on Pinterest 5 billion times and I didn't realize it was by her until I went into her website and saw it there, and then my dreams came true because this is the balaclava I've been wanting to make for so long and didn't know it was a pattern. But then as I went down the, the big rabbit hole of her website and all her patterns, I noticed she had them in a few other items. She also had it in a sweater, and I was like, oh no, if I make the balaclava, I probably have to make the matching sweater. You just have to. But then as I kept scrolling, then I saw she also had a sweater vest in the same pattern. And I just don't think I could just make the balaclava and the sweater and then not make the vest. So maybe I will try my best to make all 3 of them. But honestly, I could list every single one of her patterns from her website on my list, and then that would be my list for the year. But I don't know. I don't know. I could have done that, I guess. Anyways. Next, I'm gonna butcher this. I'm really gonna butcher this because I do not speak Danish, so I'm gonna pronounce it in a very English bad way. Spektakelstrik. Spektakelstrik. How do you pronounce this?
Spektakelstrik.
Wait, is that the English way to say it though? I don't know, but we're just gonna call it Spektakelstrik. And I want to make all of their patterns. Like, I could just take their whole pattern list and put it on my 2022 list and I'd be good to go. But again, I can't finish that many patterns in one year. So I just chose my favorite ones. So the first one is the nude sweater, and this one 100% I'm gonna make because you guys know I love smiley faces. Like, I have one tattooed on me. And they have a freaking smiley face sweater called the nude sweater, like I mentioned. But I really want to make this one. This was very intricate, very much a color work. So I'm gonna finish my Intarsia one with the multiple colors, and then I'll do this one later on this year. But again, top of my list of what I want to make, another one best since sliced bread. Didn't make sense. And then the next one I want to do, which I think this one's going to be a little bit easier, not as hard, because I think they only use 2 strands of mohair, and I think the needles are a little bit thicker, but this is the Puff and Go Puff and Go Wrapper Knitting Pattern. But this one just looks so nice. It's just so nice for layering. It looks so like light and fluffy, so I definitely could wear this spring, summer. Maybe not winter, probably not warm enough, but this one's more of like a spring, summer knit piece. And that's what I'm trying to find, because all my knit pieces I want to make are mainly winter. And it's very rare for me to find some summer knit pieces. So here is one. Good job, Jenna. And then the next one I want to make of theirs is the Stripe Overload Polo Knit Sweater. This one, again, I just love colorful pieces. So every time I see a knit pattern or a sewing pattern or anything pattern with lots of colors, I just want to make it. I've never made a sweater or knitted a sweater with the polo in it, so that is one thing I want to try and make, but it's with itty bitty needles, so it's not going to be super quick, this one. So again, maybe late 2022 I'll make it. maybe earlier. And then the last one, which is I've kind of combined two into one because it is a set, this one. I saw the skirt. First, I saw the skirt on their website and I fell in love with it. And then I saw the picture of a matching set and then, you know, I fell in love even more because I want to knit a matching set now. I want to. But it's called this... I was gonna say screw. These names are so hard. They're not. I don't know. I gotta learn English again. But it's pretty much a cropped sweater and then, you know, a high-waisted waist. This is getting difficult. But pretty much it's a cropped jumper sweater and then a high-waisted skirt. And I just feel like that would look so good with some tall boots, this outfit. But again, it's a big commitment to, you know, dive into a full set. Like, it's a big commitment just doing pants, let alone a full set. So this one might be a year-long project maybe for me. I'm not really sure, but I'm just a sucker for sets, especially when they use like a bright orange color. It's just like, oh gosh, I need that in my life. I need that in my life. So yeah, I really love their patterns. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my long list of the 22 things I want to make this year. And I know most of the projects I showed today, they're not easy. They're pretty, you know, intensive and they're going to take a long time. And I don't know if it's possible to do all of them. I'm going to try my best. Probably won't happen because if you think about that 22 projects, that means I would have to make one every 2 weeks and some of them might take like 4 months to make. I don't know. But that's okay. I'm dreaming up. Maybe this will take me 2 years, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have made any of the patterns I showed today, let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts were, if you love it, if you hate it, or if you have any patterns out there that you are wanting to make and you want to share with me or share with everyone else. Let us know down in the comments below. But that is it, Benson. That is it. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go eat lunch. So have a great rest of your day, everyone. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.